everyone, Amanda here. I've received some unknown Happy Mail, so I thought I would film it. At this point I've no idea who it's from, absolutely none. So let's see. This, whatever this paper is that it's wrapped in, is very yummy. Let's have a look. So I've got a card here, so let me just have a quick look who it's from. That's pretty. Look at that card, isn't that lovely? That looks handmade. I don't recognise the paper. Ah. Ah. So this is from Sheila. She's sent me things before. I'm sure it's the same lady. And she's one of my YouTube followers. Hope you can make use of the enclosed. I tried to fold the wallpaper so it's still wearable. Oh, bless you. It's beautiful. And keep up the good work. I love watching you on YouTube. Oh, thank you, Sheila. Bless you. How kind. Look at that. Lovely napkin. And one with wine. Yummy yum. Although, secret story, I can't drink anything that's wine based. Makes me violently ill, even half a glass. Don't know why, I'm fine with vodka. A nice nautical one though, she sent me 2 of those. Oh, that's pretty, florals. You can never have too many napkins. Oh, I like that. Beautiful. Have I had this one before? I'm not sure. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, thank you. And look at this lovely wallpaper. It's absolutely gorgeous. She's folded that really cleverly, hasn't she, like an envelope. And she's just added some of them things. Staples. I'm sure it's the same lady that sent me the wallpaper before. And it's here at the side of me waiting for it. You know, when you like things so much, you've got to wait for a special project. Look at that. It's all like books. Oh, that is really lovely. Thank you. That's very kind of you. Oh, look, we've got some more here. This is like, I would like to know where she's finding these. Oh, look what she sent. Oh, look at these. So we've got all these little envelopes that have been made, I'm assuming, out of more wallpapers. Those are lovely. I'm going to save those when I see what's in them, and I'll use them in my journals. Those are really lovely. Well done. Nicely made. So what's in this one? Oh, lovely. Look at those. Beautiful, beautiful die cuts. Those are gorgeous. Those are really lovely. Don't know what die that is, but those are lovely. Oh, look at the little paper bead there. How clever is that? Oh, and on there, so I'll save that and use that as well. And another, oh, she sent me some. Let me just have a look. Oh, look at those. Oh, wow, those are fab. Paper beads. Oh, those are fabulous. I think I've never tried to make these because I'm not a patient person. And I think you've got to have a special set of skills like Liam Neeson to make something as delicate as that. Those are gorgeous, thank you. I shall thread those up and they will get used, because look what she's done there. She's just added some thread through with a little bead and put it on a paper clip. That's fabulous. Let me put that back on there so they don't fall out. Yeah, she has made it out of wallpaper because I can see the print behind. That's beautiful. Beautiful. What's in this one? Oh, some more die cuts. I love it when people send die cuts because, you know, you haven't always got every... Oh, look at that pretty ribbon. How delicate and pretty is that? That's cute. because you don't have every die, do you always? Oh, I like these. I've seen similar to these. I think Sizzix do some wildflowers, I think they're called. I'm gonna take these apart. Oh, those are lovely. Look at those. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, I love those. Those are gorgeous. Thank you, Sheila. I shall use those. These envelopes are fab. I'm wondering if there's enough to make a little... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's enough there to make. I could make a little journal just out of the pockets. Which one have I just opened? Yeah, that one. What's in this one? More die cuts. Yay. So these are all like leaves. Oh wow, those are out of sturdy paper. Those are fab. Oh, I like that one. Beautiful. This has really made my day. Who doesn't like getting Happy Mail? Look at that one. That's lovely. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm going to put them back in there. What was this? This came out. Oh, there's another leaf there. Let me put that back carefully. These paper clips are nice. I like the shape of those. I don't have any like that. Those are fab. So we've got 3 more little... She's made all these little envelopes. Oh, look at these. Look, I'm dropping them. I'm not going to get them all out, but I'll show you. They're like little tiny flowers. How lovely are those? I hope that's a punch and not a die, or else they'll take forever. Might be on a big one, might it? Those are gorgeous. Thank you. In fact, I've got an idea for those already. Let me just put that one on there, like that. What's in this one? More little flowers. I'm not going to be short of these, am I? Oh, see what she's done. So these are like little star flowers in there. And then these are a different shape. And then this one must have this shape in. That's clever. Those are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. I've got an idea for these because I've been watching Penny Humphries, and she's been making with her other half some lovely handmade paper, and I've seen another version of how to make it without actually making it, and these would be lovely scattered in that as well as on little clusters. Thank you, those are gorgeous. Right, let me just pin that on there so that they don't fall out. Look at those little envelopes as well. What's this one? Ooh, oh, it's one. Ooh, Spectrum Noir Sparkle. Now, I've had one of these before and they're very good. Thank you. So it's a little bit like Wink of Stella. It's like a clear sparkle. I have had one before. Thank you, that's very kind. They are good. I've had one before, but I used it all. This is lovely. It's got like a iridescent tinge to it. Stunning. Thank you. What's in this one? Look at that. How clever. Just simple. Oh, this is pretty. It's like rattan, isn't it, they call it? Or I think that's what it's called. But how cute's that? Like if you tie it round your tags and things instead of using string all the time. It's nice. That's lovely. It's such a thoughtful Happy Mail because you know, it's things I don't have, and I love getting stuff like this. Brilliant. Thank you. What's this in this last one? Oh, look. Oh, wow. Have you made that? Who's made that little flower? Look at that. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're all brads. Those are gorgeous, all different brads. I like these flower ones. And that little sparkle. Oh, wow, those are lovely. Thank you. That's so kind to share those. And the die cuts, you know, I mean, it takes people forever to die cut things, doesn't it? So I'm so grateful. Look at that lovely flower. Clever missus. Very clever. Happy Days. That's cute, isn't it? Look at that. What does it fold out? Oh, there's all like different ones on. How thoughtful. What a clever Happy Mail. What's the ooh? Ah, right. So these are the die cuts to make these. See, they're like spirals, I think. I don't have any dies like this, so I should imagine, well, you're going to fold them around, aren't you? And then glue them in the middle. Oh, wow, those are so cute. And the paper they've been cut out of is really pretty. Let me just see. Yeah, so you'll just go around with that. I'm not going to do it now because I'll make a mess of it, but you'll go around and then you'll glue it to the bottom. Those are gorgeous. I shall have a play with those later. What? How, do you know, honestly, the thoughtfulness that's gone into this has just made my day. It really has made my day, because every single thing is useful. And, you know, all these handmade envelopes here, I don't know whether to put them in a journal. What do they measure? Sorry, just hang fire while I just have a think. What do they measure? 5.5. I could make a little journal out of these. A little envelope journal, because it's so sturdy and lovely. I think I may well do that and make myself a little envelope journal afterwards. Thank you so much, Sheila. That is very thoughtful. And I most certainly will make use of those, and that has made my day. Thank you so much. I mean, you've got my brain whirring now. See, this is the thing when people send Happy Mail of, you know, die cuts or things from their stash or little things that they've made, because it's things you wouldn't come across normally, and you know, you don't have yourself, and it's lovely. That is really, really gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sheila. I really do appreciate it. And I don't know where you get these wallpapers from. You're going to have to tell me, because you've sent me. It's the same lady that sent me the wallpapers before, and I just know it is, because I can tell by the maker's marks on the wallpapers, and they are beautiful. I don't know where you're getting them from, you need to tell me. But this one with the books is absolutely gorgeous. I will very carefully take that apart, and it will, there's more than enough there to do a journal cover. Countries of the world. Countries of the world. I could do like a travel journal with that, couldn't I? You've got my brain wearing, missus, so thank you ever so much. I am so grateful for that, Sheila. I really will absolutely make use of it. And what a lovely card. These colours are gorgeous. Just thought I'd come and share. Can't help but share when I get Happy Mail, so that I can share my appreciation. And yeah, you've got my brain wearing. I'm not concentrating on the video now. I'm thinking about what I can make. So there you go. Thank you so much, Sheila. You are an absolute darling, and that has really made my day. Thank you. Thanks for sharing that with me, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.